You're looking at a 40-pound anchor on the front of this little 14-foot long, 36-inch bottom bateau. I just got through wiring that up. I got this working. I just need to finish wiring them. Mount my wiring up. Watch this baby. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. You pull up, you drop it. I turn around, I drop this one right here. I got another one back here I can manually drop. And we ready to go. You get ready to go. Watch him. Mounts right up. We got a chain with a clasp. When we get on the road, that rascal won't get away from us. Beautiful thing. What I'm talking about. I tell you, trolling motors are great, but this rascal hiss. Pretty nice. Anyway, I got all that done. I got to finish this wiring. You can see all that mess down here. But I got it all identified. I'm gonna rewire. A lot of wiring in this boat. This is a running light right here. I got it wired. Down here we got the bilge pump. That's the little bilge pump. It runs fine. We got all that. It's piped out the boat over there in that corner over there. You can see the elbow 90. Yes, sir. And we got power tilt on here. Electric start. We good. I gotta finish my boat up though, y'all. So that's what I'm working on right now. These boards in here I gotta wash. I wash all this out with my pressure washer. This is aluminum. That's an aluminum sign. That's what this is made out of, aluminum signage. A buddy of mine get a hold to it and give it to me. A buddy of mine, a family give that to me. Yes, sir, Ray. That's it. That's where we at here. There's something else I'm trying to get us in the lake. Get y'all up on some fish. Show y'all how to catch them great big old big ones. And thank y'all from the shop in the woods. Otaka. 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 Look at them woods, y'all. Look at them right outside my door. Right there. I'm a lucky man. Thank y'all for watching. Get my damn finger out the way. Thank y'all for watching. Appreciate it.